Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the controls. Unlock your device and open Settings now. Once open, type or tap Do Not Disturb or Focus into the search bar so you don't dig through menus. Make sure any lock or admin profile won't block changes. Have your PIN or fingerprint ready. You're doing this now because direct access prevents accidental overrides later. As soon as you see the Do Not Disturb entry, pause here and prepare to change its status. Don't tap anything else first. You'll now switch it off and understand why. Tap the Do Not Disturb or Focus entry to expose the toggle and rule set. Turn the main toggle off. If asked to confirm overriding a schedule or temporary activation, accept so it remains off. Then inspect exceptions, calls, repeated callers, alarms, and emergency bypasses so you don't accidentally silence important alerts. Once done, make sure no active schedule re-enables it later by disabling scheduled times or removing calendar automations. Finish by verifying the change. Open Control Center or Quick Settings and make sure the Do Not Disturb icon is not highlighted. That visual check prevents surprises. Test with a quick call or a notification to confirm sounds work, and check alarms specifically because they may still fire. If Do Not Disturb turns back on, inspect schedules and any focus automations and remove them, then restart the device. If problems persist, reset network settings or contact the device support line.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.